Hey, what's up everybody, it's me, Jacob, and today there's freaking Depression Bird over there, and today we'll be doing a GP, like a knockoff Polish version of the GP5. Now, I accidentally, I've tried doing this like 3 freaking times now, but for some reason I keep on pressing the stop button, which doesn't just stop it, just freaking ends it. Okay, so here it is in all of its glory, blah 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 blah. Polish knockoff, blah blah blah. Just kidding. I'm gonna tell you a little bit of history about it. See, the Russians, they developed this one mask called the GP5, which was really cheap to manufacture, and I think they got money out of it. I think people actually paid for it. I don't know, but see, it's made. But everyone else decided, you know what, these guys made a lot of money out of it, and it's really cheap to manufacture, so how about we make it? And then we're just left with this. Yep, made by Poland, made by Poland, made by Poland, made by Poland! Okay, so here's what the little glass, I think, maybe plastic, I don't know. Yeah, here's what they look like. This lens is kind of dirty and smudged. But it's alright. I don't mind. Now, as you can see, it's been in the sun for a while. Like, this top part is like kind of deteriorating. I mean, it's not going away, it's just leaving these ugly little brown spots on there. And that little mark right there, I used to keep it like this in there. And I realized there's like tiny little freaking cracks in it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's these tiny little freaking marks. Here, I'll zoom up. Why does my camera do this? It's like I can't freaking zoom in. Oh, there we go. Alright, okay, so, focus camera, hello, focus. See those little creases, those little marks going up there? Those little freaking marks, look at my freaking ugly sausage finger. Yeah, just for Ryan. This irritates you for some weird reason, I don't know why, but... Alright, now let's get back to the freaking, to the Polish knockoff gas mask. Alright, so, on the inside, here, just give me a second, I gotta, like, flip over, just give me, like, 0 seconds in your perspective, but it's gonna be, like, a little bit for me. Alright, so I did what I was going to do, and here's what the inside looks like. See, there used to be like a little freaking exhale valve, like right there. And then, but like my mom took it out, and there's these little things that like lead to the actual inhale valve, but they also defog the lenses at the same time. And if we look on the outside, we can see the inhale valve in all of its glory. Hooray! 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 Diddly do. Alright, so that. Oh wait, I forgot. No. I forgot. Alright, so there's some freaking white specks in there, and I'm worried that it might be talcum powder. Actually, no, there's not any white specks in. Actually, yeah, there is. There's these small white specks in there. I don't know if it's dandruff or just dust. I mean, I haven't in the container, but for some reason there's like could be dust. And there's also hair in there because you know it's a full face gas mask. Yeah, and on the inside, if you're wondering, like, what's under there, it's just nothing. Yeah, I don't know what kind of material that they used for this and the goggles on it, but it's probably just some type of cool shiny metal. Shiny! Alright, now time to get to the inside of the carrying pouch. And pause. Alright, so here's the inside of the carrying pouch. Right here is one of those old coffee can style filters. Like, they're real freaking big and kind of heavy. And not really heavy. But this one could contain charcoal, but I don't really know. And it could contain charcoal, but at the same time, I really don't know. I mean, it could contain asbestos, which I'm not going to gamble on that. But it's, if anyone knows what that, if anyone can figure out, like, what date it is, then that'd be much appreciated. I'll just show you all the markings on here. Also, this little marking on there that says E/014, like the E has faded away. And then there's a 298 little in a circle, like right there. And then there's all these like little, I think, manufacture dates, like 3 of them. And oh, there's one right here, so like 4. But sorry, my dad came in, but this is just a filter for it. Cleans the air. Alright, and here's a little name tag. Hooray! Alright. So, okay! Just give me a second. Alright, so here's the little tubing for it. It'd make it lighter. If you had a real close up, then it'd like weigh down, but you'd have this in this little pouch, like right there. The bigger pouch, I think. Maybe it's in the little pouch. I really can't remember. But that would make it a lot lighter. And if it wasn't put inside of that bag, if you're like turning around, like facing another direction, then it'd like flop around and probably hit somebody, which would hurt, considering that this is made out of steel. Made out of steel. Alright, so that's enough for today, and see you